Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. We are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. And in today's video, we are just going to solve 7th class maths. And second chapter we are solving. Already we completed our first chapter. Now we are moving on to the second chapter. And that too, this is the second exercise. Nothing but here, multiplication of fractions. Okay. Now in multiplication of fractions and addition and subtraction of fractions is already completed. And we already learned that how to do addition of unlike fractions if the denominators are different, right? So now we are moving on to the 7th question in 2.2 exercise, and we are about to complete this exercise also. So what is the question here given to us? 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. So we are going to solve this. Okay students? So first we will solve 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. So convert this mixed fraction into improper, and of we can write in max as into 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Now till now we just done the multiplication either for the numerators, not for the denominators. Now we are doing multiplication of numerator and denominator. So 1 into 11 by 2 into 4. 1 11s are 11, 2 4s are 8. So half of 2 3 by 4 is 11 by 8. Now half of 1 by 2 is also called half, right? So 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. Now again 1 by 2 into mixed fraction is converted into improper by using the symbols into plus. 4 9s are 36 plus 2 38 by 9. Now multiply the numerators 1 into 38, and now multiply the denominators 2 into 9. 38 1s are 38, 2 9s are 18. So half of 2 3 by 4 is, half of 4 2 by 9 is 38 by 18. Now in the same way, we'll solve the second question. 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. So here again this is mixed fraction. 5 by 8 into 3 6 are 18 plus 5 23 by 6. And cancellations are not there here. We can't cancel the denominators, we can cancel the numerators. We can go either numerator denominator or denominator numerator. Here also there is no chance of cancellation, so multiply directly numerators and denominators. So we will find out 23 5s are 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. 115 by 8 6 are 48. Okay. And next 9 2 by 3. 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. So mixed fraction can be converted into improper. 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29 by 3. So here also there are no cancellations to us. Just simply multiply numerators and denominators. 29 5s are 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10 plus carry 4 14. 145 by 8 3s are 24. So this is your answer, right? Now we'll move on to the next solution. Next question. Now here our question is, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bag that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So of course the question he is saying about 2 students went for the picnic and their mother given 5 liters of water bottle. Out of that 2/5 of the water, out of 5 liters, Vidya completed 2 by 5th, and Pratap is completed how much water is left. That much water, full water, was completed by Pratap. Now here the question is, we want the answer should be in liters, right? So we want to know how many liters Vidya completed and how many liters does Pratap also completed. Okay. So now we will see first. Capacity of water, or you can simply write number of liters drank by Vidya. I am just writing because water liters is a word will come for capacity. So that is the reason I am just writing capacity. If you want, you can write even number of liters also. Instead of the word capacity, you can write number of liters of water. Okay. So capacity of water drank by Vidya. 2/5 of her water given. So 2/5 of 5 liters. So 2 by 5 into 5, and of course we can cancel here 5 and 5, and she completed 2 liters. Out of 5 liters, Vidya completed 2 liters of water, and the remaining liters was consumed by Pratap, right? Number of liters of water drank by Pratap is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 liters. Now he is asking the second question very clearly. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Okay, so 3 liters means what is the fraction? Out of 5 liters, he drank 3 liters, nothing but 3/5. Fraction of water drank by Pratap. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 liters. So this is the answer for the given question. Okay, students? So students, we are going to solve even one more question. Okay, so what is the question? We'll see. In a class of 40 students, 1/5 of the total students like to study English, 2/5 of the total number of students like to study Maths, and the remaining students like to study Science. Now he is asking how many students like to study English, how many students like Maths, and what fraction of the total students like to study Science. So first we will know that what is the total number of students who like to study English. Okay. Total number of students is equal to 40. Number of students like to study English is equal to 2/5 of 40. So we can change it as 2 by 5 into 40. 5 ones are 5 eights are 2 eights are 16 students like English, and 1/5 only, not 2/5. So only 8 students like to study English, and total of the 2/5 of the total students Maths. Number of students like to study Maths. 2 by 5 of 40. 2 by 5 into 40. 5 ones are 5 eights are 2 eights are 16 students like Maths. And now we are going to find out how many and the rest of the students like Science. Number of students like to study Science is equal to total students minus students like English plus Maths. So 40 minus 8 students like English and 16 students like Maths. So 16 plus 8 is 24. 16 plus 8 is 24. So what we have to do? 40 minus 24. We will do subtraction here. As we all know that we can't do subtract 0 to 4. Borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. And this is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 16 students like even science. So he is asking this in the form of a fraction. So we can write this in the form of a fraction by 16 by 40. 4 4s are 16, 4 10s are 40, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 2/5 of the students like to study science. What fraction of the total students like to study science? 2/5. Okay? Okay, students? I hope you all understand today's class. Thank you. Thank you for listening.